What happens when you need warehousing services? Like real, durable, quick, reliable warehouse services. You call Adams Warehouse and Delivery. We are the real deal. Here to offer impeccable safe storage and careful transport of your goods, we're a company you can trust. Whether you need warehousing and freight services, assembly, kitting, crating, uncrating, or more, we can do it. Need merchandising? What about promotional services or home delivery? There's nothing we can't do. So why choose us? We offer 24-hour flexibility to meet your shipment deadlines, affordable pricing and outstanding service 7 days a week, product insurance, FDA-certified facilities, and 11 warehousing and distribution centers with over 250,000 square feet of climate-controlled space and security monitoring. It's easy to see why since 1976, we've been the reigning leader in warehousing. Call Adams Warehouse and Delivery today at 713-714-1901 or visit adamsdist.com.